blemishes on here, but it's not that bad. It's not too bad at all. Little missing plastic right here. That looks like a filling, maybe from the factory or repair done. Same thing here. You can tell it kind of goes all the way up. And then we got a couple of holes right here where the license plate was and where it was rubbing right there. We'll probably fill those little things up, but like little things like that little guy right there, I'm not gonna worry about that, or these little guys, because this thing right here is gonna get RAPTORlined. Yep, RAPTORlined, because it's durable, it covers really nicely, has a really nice texture to it, and it's flexible, and most of this bumper is going to be hidden anyways by the new steel bumper. So, and the center part of it is going to get cut out for the winch. You know, the whole center of it gets completely cut out and gutted. So don't really care about those holes right there, but I think I'm gonna cover them anyways, just at least for now, because, you know, why not make this thing look decent before it gets all the steel, because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get the steel done, but hopefully we can get this going soon. Wow, this turned out amazing. The piece that goes under the hood right there. This is still wet, so is my hand. You can see I got that clear coat all over me. I should have put on some gloves first, but I'm an idiot, so it is what it is. The bumper is pretty much dry. I could actually put this on right now, it wouldn't hurt anything. But it's good. I messed this piece up right here. I just dropped it. Messed the base coat up a little bit. I tried to recover it by throwing more clear coat on it, and it just made it worse. But this one's good. That one's good. I may have to scuff this one down or sand it down smooth and hit it with another coat of base coat, clear coat, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks. It mostly gets covered up anyways. So then back bumper, oh, here's the gas cap right here. Looking good, looking good. Yep, gas cap. Looking very, 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 very good. Very happy with that. Look at this clear coat. It's like a pink color. It's so weird. Here's the back bumper right here. I'm not sure my grass trying to grow situation likes that too much, but let's see. It's still a little tacky, but it's almost dry. It's almost dry. It looks really good though. Can't wait to throw it on. And then the last piece is this piece. Looks real good. So that's the piece that goes on the hatch for the license plate lights and stuff. There's the rockers right there. I can't decide if I want to go ahead and put them on right now or not. I might need to just go ahead and probably do the same thing, do Raptor liner like that on the side skirts and throw them on temporarily until I can get the fabrication done. But for now, that's where they're at. Here's the windshield right here. She's pretty broken. And I called yesterday to try to find a new windshield because I'm about ready to put a new windshield in and nobody has one. So I'm a little worried about that. The back hatch glass is right under it. I need to get the tent off of that and get it installed. And then there's those fender flares that are all busted up that I can't decide what to do with yet, but I've got them. So anyways, let's wait on this stuff to dry just a little bit more. Everything's had 2 coats. I don't think I'm going to coat anything else. So, dang, that praying mantis is loud. Must be up in my tree. I don't know, but he's loud. Very, 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 very loud. But I gotta wait on this stuff to dry just a little bit. It's getting there. You can tell the gloss is coming down a little bit, so hopefully it won't take too much longer. It's got a hardener in it, so it shouldn't take too long to get dry. And then go set these parts on the M-Class so that they can cure out overnight. So yeah, I'll probably get about 10 or 20 more minutes and then get it all carried inside the garage. So we'll see how it goes.